Hey, my name is Hindu. Today, we shall learn about the months of the year. The months of the year usually are coordinated with the alphabet. For example, the month of January with a J, February with an F, March, April, May, just like how you sign March and then you add that crossing, June, J with 2 fingers on the palm, July, J and a cutting, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's repeat that. The month of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Please continue practicing. Practice every day, you'll be perfect. And equally, do not forget to like and subscribe on our channels below.